So displaying the light intensities, values of light intensities calculated by an illumination model must be converted into one of the allowable intensity level for the particular graphic system in use. Some systems are capable of displaying several intensity levels. Okay, while some graphic systems allow only two levels, either on or off. Either intensity is on or off, or some are allowed several intensity levels. Now, assigning different intensity levels. Grayscale values on a video monitor can be distributed over the range to intensity. We perceive the difference between each pair of the intensities to be the same. Means, for example, perceive the difference between the intensity 0.20 and 22 to be the same as difference between 0.18 and 82. Means in between these two, the difference is 0.02. In between these, difference is 0.02. So in that case, we can say it's the same. Perceive the difference between intensity 0.20 to 22 be the same as the difference between this one. So to display n plus 1 successive intensity levels, multiple intensity levels, if we consider with equal perceived brightness, the intensity levels on the monitor should be spaced so that ratio of successive intensity is constant. So the simple equation is used now. So here we denote the lowest level can be displayed on the monitor as I0 and the highest level as IN. So everywhere we are using now the colors. Monitors are colors. Previously it is black and white. TV screens were black and white. Monitors are black and white. CRTs are black and white. But now your mobile screen, your monitors, your TV screen, all are color. So use the different color intensity level. Only two is not sufficient for all this. So successive intensity levels we need to use, where I0 is the lower and highest is the IN intensity level. Next, half toning. When an output device has a limit, output device means your monitor, TV, mobile, all are output devices. So, when an output device has a limited intensity range, we can create apparent increase in the number of available intensities by incorporating multiple pixel position into display. Now see, when we see our simple mobile screen, we can change the brightness easily. How it is changed? Behind that, some graphic systems are used to change the intensity levels, to change the brightness. Monitor, TV, you can change the intensity, you can change the brightness. Means multiple pixel positions are used in that display if there are multiple intensities. Many image rendering technologies only have binary output. For example, printers can either fire a dot or not. Means if we consider a black and white printer, it either generates a dot or not. So black or white. If there is a dot, it's black. Where there is no dot, it's white. So only two inputs are considered. But if there are multiple colors are there, then we need to consider multiple color intensities and multiple pixel positions need to be considered for the display. So nowadays, you can see there are so many quality rendering images are used at minimal cost. Everywhere now the intensity is available. It is not now, but from previously also. Whenever the colors are come there. Continuous half toning, original zoom. If we zoom this, it will be look like this. For a black and white photograph, each intensity area is reproduced as a series of black circles on a white background. How the actual picture is there for a black and white photograph? each intensity area is produced a series of black circles on a white background. The diameter of each circle is proportional to the darkness required for that intensity region. The diameter of this particular circle is proportional to the darkness. If we want the more darkness, the diameter of that circle is more. If we want the less darkness, means whiter shade, then the diameter is less. Darker regions are printed with larger circles that I told, and lighter regions are printed with smaller circles. Means this is the light part. And how the human actually see? How the human eye see this sort of arrangement from the sufficient distance in this way. So this is the darker region where you can see the larger circles, black circles, and this is the lighter region. Here you can see the smaller black circles. This more white area. If we want to increase the whiten, then there are no circles, only white part is there. That is half toning. Now, half tone approximation, how these circles are generated. Okay, from where these circles are generated and how these circles are generated. Again, the pixels are used here. So, half-tone reproduction are approximated using rectangular pixel region called half-tone pattern or a pixel pattern. So, that is shown here, the rectangular region. 1, 2, 3, 4 regions are there. So, first, the number of intensity levels that we can display with this method depends on how many pixels are included in the rectangular grids and how many levels a system can display. Okay, means if we want the darker image, we need to increase the number of these black circles in that particular region. If we want the whiter, then we need to minimize the dark circles in that. So you can observe that here the first circle, then here, then this one is generated, then this one is generated. So here it is the range from 0 to 0.2 intensity level. If there is a single, then 0.2 to 0.4. If two circles are there, it is 0.4 to 0.6. If there are three circles, 0.6 to 0.8. And if there are four circles, the intensity level is 0.8 to 1. Maximum, highest intensity, and this is the lowest intensity. Now, so that was the pixel 2 by 2. If it is a 3 by 3, pixel positions are chosen at each level so that the patterns approximate the increasing circle sizes. To increase the circle size, see, this circle has minimum size, this circle has maximum size. So this circle has the pattern. Either it is a 4 into 4 pattern, either it is a 9 into 9 pattern in this way. So pixel position are chosen at each level so that patterns approximate the increasing circle sizes uses half-tone reproduction. That is, on pixel positions are near the center of the grid for lower intensity level. Now see in which sequence these circles are increased. Means in whitener it is 0 to 0.1. In this way it is totally white. Now a small dot circle, if we want, start with the center. After that the right one is selected. Means if it is a 1, then it is a second one. Then this is selected or this circle is generated. Then this circle is generated. Now the color is darker. This is white, then this is now gray shade, increase, increase, increase. After this the next one selected, this one. Next after this the next one selected, this one, then this one, and then this one, and this becomes more dark color circle. This is white, no circle, but here it generates a circle with dark, more dark color, larger value of there, 0.9 to 1. So here in which way the pixels are generated, the grid in 3 by 3 pixel, one example is given how these pixels are chosen to increase the darkness of that particular circle. First, I already told you first, then this is the second, this is the third, then this one is selected, that is fourth, then this one is selected, that is fifth, then this one is selected, sixth, then this 7, then this 8, and this one is selected 9. No other sequence is used. This sequence is used for 3 into 3 mask to generate a 9 3 into 3 grid pattern. So half toning approximation, avoid symmetrical pattern, means this pattern is not used, this pattern, this pattern, this pattern is not used. You can observe there is no such pattern. Then avoid a single on pixel, means in this way, this is selected, then directly this is selected, don't avoid. Select the pixel which is nearby it. After this, select this one, this one, this one, this one, which is nearby it, as we have seen in the seed fill algorithm. So in this way, avoid a single on pixel or isolated pixel, means this, then this one, then this one. This is not done in the half toning. The pixels are selected in sequence. That is about the black and white. Now colors. So the same, you can observe it is 2 into 2 pixel grid pattern. But here in the 2 into 2 pixel pattern, there are only black color. Either white or black, either on or off. If off, no white color is there. If on means there are some dots, black dots on. Then in color, all these 4 pixels are used the RGB colors. So RGB colors intensity again depends upon the color. Multiple colors are generated with these 3 RGB colors, and these particular RGB colors are used here. Okay, so total 125 different color combinations are possible with these 2 into 2 pixel grid pattern with RGB. That is half tone approximation.